Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAItraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the steps to becoming an AI-focused compliance analyst. From understanding the basics of AI and machine learning to mastering regulatory frameworks and ethical guidelines, we'll guide you through the essential skills and knowledge you need to excel in this rapidly evolving field. Let's get started. By becoming an AI-specialized compliance analyst, you can future-proof your skills in an ever-evolving tech landscape. With AI expertise, you'll open doors to more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals who can navigate the complexities of AI and compliance. Additionally, AI skills can lead to higher salaries as you'll be more efficient and productive, leveraging AI as your assistant. This role not only enhances your career prospects, but also positions you at the forefront of technological innovation, ensuring you stay relevant and in demand. At CompleteAItraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI-specialized compliance analyst. As AI developments continue to accelerate, we ensure you're always up to date with the latest advancements relevant to compliance analysts. Our curriculum is continuously updated to reflect the newest trends and technologies, so you can stay ahead in this fast-paced field. Our AI video training programs are tailored specifically for aspiring AI-specialized compliance analysts. Dive into the latest prompt courses, explore custom GPTs designed for compliance tasks, and utilize organized AI tools to enhance your skills. With our course and certification program, you'll be equipped to excel in this specialized role. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAItraining.com and search for compliance analysts. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert compliance analyst. You can start a 3-day trial today.